Hello everyone, before I start my video today, I want to say thank you for every viewers who spare their time on watching my videos about eBay, and I'll do my best to create more. For today's video, I'll teach you on how to edit photos using Adobe Photoshop Mix on an iOS platform. And here, I'm using an iPad 7th Gen, and let's see how can we create a product image for your items on eBay. To start, download the Adobe Photoshop Mix on Apple Store if you're an iOS user and Play Store for Android user. I'm gonna type Adobe Photoshop Mix Cutout Combine Create. So just open it, then download it. Since I have this application, I'm gonna open it later. Okay, so first we need to look for high quality images, about 500 resolution and above, because we need to have a high quality images to avoid pixelated images or blurred photos that may cause confusion to our viewers. So let's look. I'm gonna find my product, then so what we're gonna choose is 500 and above resolution, and this one is 800 by 800 resolution. This is a very good example of an image, and it has a white background, which is very nice because we can easily cut out the background. Okay, then next I'm gonna save it, add to photos. Then next we need to have a related and high quality image background for your product image to have a clarity to the viewers, for we cannot just put a background that will not tell us about your product. For example, if you're selling a kitchen tools, then your background is a jail prison, it will really affect your viewers' viewpoint. So let's find a background. I have here Pexels.com. It is a free stock photos and it has a very nice quality of images. So I'm gonna search for green tea because my item or my product has an green tea extract or substance. Then just free download it. Download. We're gonna open it. Okay. Then save it to your photo or save images. After gathering your images, let's now open our Adobe Photoshop Mix. There you go. I have some edited photos. So we're gonna click this add button or the plus button, then choose image. First we're gonna edit our product, this one. So we want to select only the supplement or this bottle. So we're gonna choose cut out in the lower portion of the app or the tools of Adobe Photoshop Mix. Let's choose cutout, then smart tools, so that it will automatically select the desired images. Okay, so we're gonna look at okay, you see it's very easy and you can learn it very quickly. Just have a patience and of course willingness to do this job. Okay, you can zoom it so that you won't miss a thing, or just in case you accidentally add some white background, you can subtract it like that one. Then you can zoom in, then check for some missing part or excess part. Okay, like that. I'm gonna check. You think it's good enough? Then what I'm doing here, I choose this refine tool. Then you will see the magic. when you increase this feather thing up, it has like a shadow or a soft edges. Yeah, soft edges. I'm gonna set it on 21. Then it's look great. Then we're gonna check that one. So this is your mix layer. Then we're gonna add our background. So adding background, just click this plus button. Then you can add a layer. It can be image, text, color, or meme. But we're gonna add some image. Choose our image background. Then sometimes Adobe pop this message. An image with high resolution was just important. Do you want to resize the canvas? Resize it, okay? But make sure that your image background or your layer is greater than your mix layer. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna drag this, we're gonna hold this mix layer, then drag it up so that it will overlay on our image layer. Then just zoom it. Okay, we're gonna zoom. There you go. We already have a very good example of our product image. You can post it on your social media, business page, to your website, to your eBay, like that. Of course, you can also edit your images there, your personal image, through Adobe Photoshop Mix and be creative. And here we can adjust, we can auto fix it, the temperature, the exposure, and everything and so on. Then looks, you have a bunch of filters here. We have the natural, portrait, until sepia if you want some oldies, neutral, landscape, punch, or brighten. I think I like this brighten. Then I'm gonna just check it. There you go. You already have a finished product image. Very easy, and you can do it even if you are in a plane, a bus, or a train. And of course, you can also add text. There you go. You can add your contact number or the product name itself. Okay, you can put it there. Of course, you can blend it also. It has a blending option also, but okay, like this one, I think it's very nice to see. Then you can choose the color. Okay, it's very good in our eyes. Yellow and green. Then the size, you can adjust it, the style, the alignment, and the spacing. Can we add some space here? Okay, it is social distancing, guys. Okay, so that's it. Green 97. Then we're gonna save it. Just click this one in the upper right, then send to camera roll or save to your local image, local photos, or to Adobe stock. But I'm gonna save it to my camera roll. And let's wait. Okay, it's loading, guys. Okay, completed. Then there you go. We already have an image. I'm gonna go to our photos. Then as you can see, here's the finished product of using Adobe Photoshop Mix. It is very easy, very handy tool. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day.